We are going to study Korean with Tricia, who cannot speak Korean at all. And I want to make her speak Korean fluently in the future. Okay? Tricia, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, this unit we are going to study personal pronoun. Unit 1, personal pronoun. Personal pronoun is like, for example, I, 나, 나는, you, 너, 너는, he, 그는, she, 그녀, 그녀는. Okay? So, would you like to follow me? 나, 나는, 너, 너는, 그는, 그녀, 그녀는. Let's have a sentence practice. Okay?
Okay.
Sentence practice. She is a teacher. 그녀는 선생님이다. 그녀는 선생님이에요. Okay? So, 그녀는 선생님이다. or 선생님이에요. Yeah, good job. 그녀는 선생님이다. Oh, yeah, okay. She's following me really well. Next sentence. He is a teacher. 그는 학생이다. Did I say a student or a teacher? Okay, good job. I'm checking. He is a student. 그는 학생이다. Good job. Okay, Tricia. Hey, Tricia, follow me. Next sentence is in the movies or in the drama, Korean drama, you can hear a lot. 사랑해요. Good job. 사랑해요. Alright. That means 나는 you 당신을 love 사랑해요. you love. Actually, I love you. Okay? So 나는 당신을 사랑해요. you love. I love you. 나는 당신을 사랑해요. But we usually say 사랑해요. In this unit, we practice the 그는, 그녀는, 당신은, 나는. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, everybody. See you next unit.